Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making the cutest miniature Kirby cake. It's all going to be 100% edible, so I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get right into it. In my mini bowl, I'm going to add the cake mix. I decided to use a cake mix because honestly, I was too lazy to find a recipe from scratch. So we are going to be using a box cake mix, which does call for a couple of ingredients, which are milk, oil, and egg whites. So I'm going to add those in and mix it all together using my mini whisk. I'm pouring the batter into my pan here, and then I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 5 to 8 minutes. Our cake is out of the oven. I did let this cool down completely. It honestly just took like 2 minutes because it's so tiny. So I'm just going to take this out and remove the parchment paper from the bottom, and then I'm going to cut off the top, and we are going to cut this cake into 3 layers. Now it is time for us to assemble our miniature cake. So here I have some buttercream, which I have colored pink using some food coloring. So I'm just putting some buttercream and then cake, then buttercream. You know the drill. Once you have all of the layers, you just want to put buttercream all over the cake, like a really thin layer. For now, I'm going to set the cake aside and start working on the fondant. Here on my work surface, I'm going to sprinkle on some icing sugar, and then I'm going to roll out this light blue colored fondant. This is store-bought, by the way. I don't know how to make fondant from scratch. I think it's really hard actually. And by the way, this is my first time ever using fondant, so you can kind of see that I am learning as I go. And my application skills of this are not that great, but yeah, I'm definitely like learning how to like work with it. Using some pink colored fondant, I am making Kirby. I tried to make this like small enough for the cake. I have made like polymer clay charms of Kirby in the past, so doing this was kind of similar. Like fondant is kind of like clay. It is different as well when it comes to texture, but overall like it was easier to make Kirby because it's kind of like clay, if that makes any sense. Now all you have to do is put Kirby on top of the cake, and there is the miniature Kirby cake all completed. So I'm gonna cut out a slice of cake and show you guys what it looks like from the inside. I had a lot of fun filming this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. By the way, if you guys have any other ideas on what other miniature cakes I should make, please let me know in a comment down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.